Mana continues to push towards the upside, but have we missed the chance to buy Decentraland at the best price going? Looking into this chart, we see that Decentraland has been in a long downtrend for quite some time now, and it's appearing to be breaking out of the bear trend and moving back into a bull trend. But can this upside action continue, or will we see a bit of a downtrend before we're able to push further to higher highs for Decentraland? Considering that right now, looking down at the RSI, we are approaching overbought levels. Okay, so as we look into Mana on the 4-hour chart, we can see that we've done something very significant. That we've broken not only the 20 period moving average, but also the 50 period moving average, and we continue to push up towards the 200. But what I want to take a look at, guys, is on the Fibonacci retracement. And what we're going to do from that is we're going to take from this previous swing high and drop it down to the recent swing low. And you can see that we're moving into key levels for Decentraland. But what I want to show you guys, if we look back all the way to May earlier last year, then we can see that we came up and hit highs at this level. And then we've come down to a similar level here. So we've turned previous resistance and we've now flipped it into support, with this being our key area through here. What we're approaching now is the 0.236, which is not too far away, which is only sort of another 5% or so push. What I anticipate happening, guys, is getting towards this level and seeing a bit of a consolidation period. Now, what we're likely to do once we have consolidated is we will then push on to this next level at 3.2, and in my opinion, once we hit 3.2, we will then be coming back down to retest this level here. So right now I'll be holding off and waiting for a retest at the 0.236, where I'll be looking to accumulate in this area here. Now the 0.236 will pose a bit of an obstacle for us, and because in the past we had this as a significant level of support before we eventually broke down through it earlier on this year, and we've seen something very similar happening over on Sand. So let's take a look at Sand quickly. We can see that Sand did come up and hit the 0.236 in a similar way. We noticed then that we had this consolidation period before pushing towards the upside. It's then come back and retested, and we're now seeing a push again. So this, you can see, was a good accumulation zone for Sand, and we're likely to see the same happening in Decentraland. Jumping back to Decentraland as well, we can see this previous line of resistance here, and it's pretty much going to coincide where we're going to probably have a bit of confluence here. Now this is significant, guys, because if we are able to break above this yellow line, then it's going to take us out of the bear trend, which we've been sitting in for quite a period of time now, probably well over a month. It's going to take us out of the bear trend, which we've been sat in for over a month now, and it will bring us a price target all the way back up at these levels at around 3.6 in terms of a percentage price increase. Then that price target from current levels will bring us all the way up 42%. So in my opinion, it's worth waiting to see whether we're going to be able to break through this 0.236. If we break through the 0.236, then in my opinion, we are going to be moving back in an upwards direction. And we are going to be breaking out of the recent bear trend we've seen for Decentraland, as well as many other cryptos. Obviously at the moment it's Chinese New Year, so do expect to see some slightly lower volume happening in the crypto market. Bitcoin won't be making particularly massive moves over this period, as well as other cryptos probably taking a bit of time off. So make sure you watch carefully, guys, as we wait for a bit of volume returning into the market. If you're interested in NFT, guys, I've set up a new channel. Jump over to the link that I'll leave at the end of this video for some whitelist giveaways that are happening this week. Hope you have a fantastic week, and I will look forward to seeing you in another video. Bye bye.